Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all doing? It's a blowy morning. The sun hasn't come up yet, has it? So it's yeah, we're taking refuge inside here. You've had your cup of cocoa. I'm having my cup of tea, and we're about to go into the barn. Merlin's already in there. He's beating us to it again, hasn't he?
Probably already feasting on the sweets that are in there.
Well, by the time we finish this intro, they'll probably be down to half again.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Anyway, so today we're going to be inside. There is a storm, a named storm. I forget the name of it. And it's due to hit us properly in an hour or so. So yeah, we are going to put the WBP ply floor back down because we had to take it up to remove the vapor control layer, which we no longer need now that we're utilising the whole of the downstairs as living accommodation. Temporary anyway. So that's going to be glued and screwed by Merlin and myself. Charlie is going to be getting on with sticking all of the VCL, the vapor control layer, to the insides of the dormer cheeks. So that's a proper hospital job. That's only when it's raining do we attempt those things. So that's us for the day. I think yeah, the VCL taping takes a long time, so I can't see us getting anywhere past that, but you never know. Anyway, should we get on with it?
Probably, yeah, before the rain comes.
Yes. Very sharp. Hold a bit. That. And cut a bit through. So there are 3 bits of backing that can come off. I'm always going to be giving you a hand with this bit because it's tricky.
It's very hard.
Very sharp. Please be careful. Where are you? Kind of handy that we had that line on there, wasn't it? Where we'd set out for the thing. come on, come and hold this for us, kid. You a kid? My finger's hurting. Come and hold this bit. Timber. Alright, got it?
Yep. I've only got 2 friends who refuse to cook. Oh no, I've seen more than more I do.
Right, now, they can go into the ones where they're not going into steel.
Or not.
I'm really missing my good finger, my bad finger.
Oh, poor Daddy. How about ice cream? How about ice cream for you? Dad!
Dad, it's on fire! I don't know how!
Dad, it's on water. I have no idea how that's possible, but I set it on water.
It's floating, Dad. Dad, I'm floating away! Dad!
I hit the water main, it didn't exist, Dad.
Oh, always this time of the day. The legs get tired.
The feet.
Right, don't put any more in, Rich. All a day.
Call it a day, finish your beer.
Yeah. That's it, it can't drop, can't go anywhere. Oh. Mate, where's your panache? You had it?
I've drank it.
Oof!
Oof!
Oof.
Oof!
Just a bit of oof-age. Well, that's a pretty good day, all things considered. I did kind of do something to my finger, but yeah, can't show you because YouTube doesn't like blood, but yeah, it'll take a few weeks to heal. Anyway, so we got all of the floor down, glued, screwed. We have also got some of these in, and yeah, I'm quite happy about that. So these are going to be cut out a little bit like that, and then the worktops will go through there. And it's probably worth mentioning to you guys again that, you know, it's been a while since I spoke to you about it. What I'm doing is creating these storage kind of areas underneath in the eaves areas through here, and they will be created first. We'll kind of like put worktop type style timber on top of them, and then when they are all done, then we will build the temporary walls in and over those, basically. So when it all turns back into a great big storage area, yeah, they'll just have these nice kind of storage areas in the eaves for, I don't know, whatever I have that needs to be stored long term. Anyway, it's time to go home. I think Charlie, he's had enough. He's in the truck. So yeah, like, subscribe, hype if you could, and see you next time. Bye bye.